Hello again, my peeps. I am jumping on here today to tell you guys about an amazing opportunity that recently fell into my life. As many of you know, I'm the founder and president of Making Dreams Come True, and we bring adaptive experiences to extra abled people. Some of you may know, if you've been following me, I have had the opportunity to travel all over the world and participate in different dance workshops, had the opportunity to dance with able-bodied and extra-abled people, and these have been some of the most enriching and fun experiences of my career. I'm so happy to be able to bring this same experience to other extra-abled people. A few years back, I connected with Ollie Landers, and she is the CEO of an inclusive dance movement called Pivot Dance Movement. And I would like to introduce her to you.
Hi! Ollie Landers here, the owner of Pivot Movement, Inclusive and Adaptive Dance and Yoga. I started Pivot Movement Inclusive, Adaptive, Accessible Dance and Yoga because I wanted those often excluded in our communities to feel they have a place that they can feel the benefits of dance and yoga and feel the freedom to express themselves through dance. Jennifer Lynn and I are excited to announce that we are collaborating to bring you a unique and hugely fun workshop called Expressive Inclusive Dance Workshop. This workshop is going to be a blast. You'll learn techniques to express yourselves fully, you'll choreograph your own unique special piece, and you'll also learn about yourself and how to truly be inclusive. And of course, Jennifer and I are going to be there to guide each person through their creative journey, with plenty of silliness and plenty of joy to fill you up.
Ollie's class members are already signed up to participate in this workshop. The way that Making Dreams Come True is collaborating with Pivot is we would like to bring in people from all over the United States to participate in this workshop. We're looking for extra-abled and able-bodied people who want to come to Boise, Idaho at the end of May. Dates are posted right here. We're also raising scholarship funds, and there is a GoFundMe link in the comments. If you feel motivated to give, we would love that, because everything you give will go towards bringing extra-abled people to this workshop from all over the United States. It will cover their travel expenses and make it possible for them to be part of this fun workshop. If you are extra abled and you've had the dream of dancing, then please DM me or reach out to me or comment below and let me know that you're interested, because we would like to talk with you more and see if this would be a good match for you.
Join us on this amazing creative weekend full of memorable moments and an incredible experience. Sincerely, me. See you at the workshop.